In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your plane ticket or boarding pass from Expedia. Having easy access to your flight ticket or boarding pass is an important part of preparing for any trip. It helps ensure a smooth airport experience and gives you confidence that all your travel details are properly organized. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to find and print your plane ticket using Expedia in a simple and stress-free way. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Expedia website. Expedia is a convenient travel platform where you can manage everything from flights to hotels and other travel bookings. Once the home page loads, make sure you are signed in to your account. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your personal travel dashboard. This step is essential because your booking information is linked directly to your account. After signing in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You will find a section labeled Trips. This area contains all your booked travel plans in one place. Click on it to open your trip overview, where you can see your upcoming flights, hotel reservations, and other travel arrangements. If you have booked multiple trips, they will all be listed here. Take your time to scroll through the list and locate the specific flight you are looking for. Once you find the correct trip, click on it to open the full booking details. After opening your trip, you will be able to see all the important flight information, including departure and arrival times, airline details, and your ticket information. This is where you can review everything related to your journey in one place. If you need a physical copy of your plane ticket or boarding pass, look for the print option on the page. Selecting this will allow you to print your ticket directly. Having a printed copy can be very useful, especially during airport check-in or in situations where internet access may be limited. The Trips section also serves as a helpful tool for managing your bookings. If you ever need to review or reference your travel details again, everything will remain accessible here in an organized format. And just like that, you have successfully located and printed your plane ticket through Expedia. By following these steps, you ensure that your travel documents are ready and easily accessible, helping you stay prepared for your journey. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.